Hello, it's Thursday, October the 28th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFXBank. The dollar strengthened across the board as stocks in the US approached session lows. New home sales came out at 307,000, better than the expected 300,000. US stock markets closed mixed, with the Dow losing minus 0.39% and the NASDAQ advancing by 0.24%. Crude fell by minus 0.7% to close near $82 a barrel, and gold also declined, closing at $1,325 an ounce. Today, initial jobless claims is expected at 455,000 versus 452,000 previously. The euro weakened against the dollar for a second day in a row, despite German CPI coming out unchanged at 0.1%. Holding above the 137.40 support level might send the pair back to 138 zones and push it higher. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 137.33 and a high of 138.77. Today, ECB President Trichet speaks. The pound weakened against the dollar and almost erased all the previous day's gains. The pair weakened after negative Wall Street opening and strengthening of the dollar across the board. Holding above the 157 support level might send the pair back to 158 zones and push it higher. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 157.28 and a high of 158.63. The dollar gained versus the yen for a second day in a row, but still seems capped below the 82 zone. Retail sales came out 1.2% worse than the expected 3.2%. Breaching 82 resistance level in the pair might fuel a positive trend for the dollar-yen. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 81.30 and a high of 81.97. Today, the interest rate decision is expected unchanged at 0.1%, and Tokyo core CPI is expected at minus 0.8% versus minus 1% previously. Finally, Canada's dollar. This weakened for a second day as the US dollar strengthened against all of its major counterparts. On speculation, bond buying by the Fed will be less than expected. Breaching the 103.40 resistance level in the pair might fuel a positive trend for the dollar CAD. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 102.25 and a high of 103.37. No economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.